Vision is so important to everything we do. When I was younger, watching my dad have LASIK and my grandmother have cataract surgery, I saw the impact that these procedures made on their lives. While I was a student at Johns Hopkins, I worked with surgeons who not only made a difference treating patients, but also worked with industry to design the next generation of technology to bring their patients safer surgery and better outcomes. In medical school, seeing the impact firsthand of patients walking in the office unable to see, then having an amazing 10-minute procedure, and the very next day they're able to drive, work, and read without glasses. It's incredible to be able to make this type of impact in people's lives. Orlando is such a great home to me and my wife, who's a local cardiologist, and when we're not in the office, we love our local Central Florida beaches, restaurants, and culture.